Have you ever wondered what your body looks like beneath your skin? This is your skeleton, made of 206 powerful bones. Your skull protects your brain. Your rib cage shields your heart and lungs.
The video you're watching right now was created using just one AI tool. No complex prompts, no multiple websites, just one platform. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and search for Corpy AI. Click on it and log in with your Gmail account. Inside, you'll see multiple trending video niches. For this example, we're choosing Skeleton AI. Click on it. Now you need to provide a script. You can generate one using AI, but I already have a script ready, so I'll paste it here. Click Next. Now choose your image generation model. Select Nano Banana Mini, then click Generate Scenes. Corpy will automatically create image scenes based on your script. Just wait a few seconds while everything generates. And now, all our skeleton scenes are ready. Click Next. Here you can choose the voice for your video. I'm selecting Adam. You can also adjust the voice speed and customize the caption style. You can add background music if you want, but for this example, I'll keep it clean. Now click Generate Video, and within seconds, your fully animated skeleton video is ready.
Have you ever wondered what your body looks like beneath your skin? This is your skeleton, made of 206 powerful bones. Your skull protects your brain. Your rib cage shields your heart and lungs. Your spine supports your entire body and lets you bend and move. Now watch how your skeleton moves. Your shoulders rotate. Your knees bend. Your joints connect every bone perfectly for smooth motion. And inside your bones, bone marrow is constantly creating new blood cells. Your skeleton isn't just structure, it's alive. It protects you, it supports you, and it keeps you moving every single day.
That's how you can create viral skeleton videos using just one AI tool. You'll find the Corpy AI link in the description. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials.